Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your payment method on Chipotle.com. So let's dive in straight into the video without further ado. Launch open a web browser to get started and go to Chipotle.com. Also make sure that you're logged into your Chipotle account like you normally do by entering your account's credentials. After you are signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and scroll down and click on Payment Methods. Now in the Payment Methods tab, you can go ahead and add a credit or a debit card. Click on add a card and then you will then be able to see this interface where you can easily enter a credit card number, enter the CVV code, the expiry date for the card, your zip code, and finally click on add card. Once you add your payment information, you will be able to use the payment method whenever you want to order anything from Chipotle. So that is how you can easily add a payment method on Chipotle.com within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.